How to use ChatGPT for global learning. ChatGPT can be a useful tool for global learning as it has access to a vast amount of knowledge from various sources and can provide answers to a wide range of questions. Here are some ways you can use ChatGPT for global learning. 1. Ask questions. You can ask ChatGPT any question related to global learning, such as the best practices for teaching a diverse group of students, how to promote intercultural communication, or the challenges of global education. 2. Research topics. ChatGPT can help you research topics related to global learning by providing information from reliable sources. For example, you can ask ChatGPT about the history of international education, the impact of globalization on education, or the role of technology in global learning. 3. Learn about different cultures. ChatGPT can provide information on different cultures, including their customs, traditions, and values. You can ask ChatGPT about cultural differences and how they can affect teaching and learning. 4. Improve language skills. ChatGPT can help you improve your language skills by answering questions and providing feedback on grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. You can also ask ChatGPT to recommend language learning resources. 5. Connect with other learners. ChatGPT can connect you with other learners around the world who are interested in global learning. You can ask ChatGPT about online communities, language exchange programs, or study abroad opportunities. These are just a few examples of how ChatGPT can be used for global learning. Remember to always verify information from multiple sources and consult with experts in the field for more in-depth knowledge and understanding. Here are some additional resources related to global learning that may be helpful. The World Bank Education Global Practice. The World Bank provides resources and data on global education, including research and reports on education policy, financing, and innovation. UNESCO Global Education Monitoring Report. UNESCO provides annual reports on global education, including trends, challenges, and best practices. The reports also provide data on education access, equity, and quality. Coursera Global Learning. Coursera offers online courses on global learning, including topics such as intercultural communication, global citizenship, and education for sustainable development. Global Partnership for Education. The Global Partnership for Education is a coalition of governments, organizations, and individuals committed to improving education in developing countries. They provide resources and funding for education initiatives around the world. Edutopia Global Education. Edutopia provides resources and articles on global education, including strategies for teaching global competencies, building empathy, and fostering cultural understanding.